Okay everybody, welcome back to the second part of this mini journal. And today I'm going to show you the inside of the journal, and then at the end of the video I'm going to show you a few DIYs that I already created and made inside of here, so you guys can be able to do the same thing. Make sure you watch the whole video, guys. But right now I'm just going to give you a flip through of the mini journal, and so you can see the inside of it and what I've done so far. And yeah, let's get into it. So this is how it looks so far, guys. It looks so cute. I compacted with a lot of stuff. I put a lot of things inside of it. You guys can see really good on the side and the bottom. On the side here I have this little charm that I put on there and a keychain. I got both the charm and a keychain from Hobby Lobby. Open up, you get the first page here, guys. So right here I have this paper clip, this butterfly paper clip that hangs right here, which I purchased from Office Max. And then I also have made this little cute little, I put, actually guys, I forgot to let you know, I did put a pocket here over here, because I mentioned in the first video that you can put a pocket there, and I actually decided to put one there. Majority of the stuff that I have in here, it's from collection that I showed you guys on there. Okay, that was part of it, and I cut that out and I put that in there. When you open it up again, it's this beautiful lace on there, and then these butterflies, a lot of the butterflies that you're going to see in here is from that same collection that I just showed you. I just go ahead and cut them out, and there's some washi tapes right there. The sticker here I got from a few of my Happy Planner stickers. Add some fur at the end of there, and then there's some washi tape hiding behind there. Next page, once again another Happy Planner sticker that I put on there, and another butterfly cut out from there, and washi tape. And there's the fabric ribbon that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and this is a DIY ribbon that I made. And this one has a pocket. I made this little DIY pocket, and then I made a DIY tag, another Happy Planner sticker I put on there, and the butterfly. And then this is another sticker I put there, and I just left that plain because it already looks pretty. A lot of ribbon that you're going to see in the journal, I purchased it from Hobby Lobby. So when you see a lot of ribbon, it's coming from Hobby Lobby. First I put washi tape, and then I put ribbon over it. And then I used diamond leatherhead that I purchased at Hobby Lobby as well. And I took a few pieces of the diamonds and put it right there. And then this one here, notepad right here. This I got from Walmart. This is a lace pocket I did with some lace fabric, and then I cut a piece of it the size of the page, and then I just glue the corners, the bottom and the side as well down with fabric glue, and that's how I got that. I think it looks beautiful, guys. And this is the next page. This one is simple, guys. I just add another ribbon at the side here, and then I put a few diamonds strip down the line, and then scrapbook paper there, and then also the butterflies that I add from the collection. And you get to this page, and this is one of my DIY bows I made as well, and another butterfly. And this here I made a mini shaker dashboard. I came up with this a couple of days ago, and and it's pretty cool. I love the way it turned out. And this actually comes out like that. Literally left it open, the end of it open, so I can be able to switch it out sometimes. If I want to take that out, switch it in, and bam, that will look nice there too as well. So that's why I left that open, just in case. And even if I want to put some encouraging words at the top here, I can do that. So I did that. And then you turn to the other side. I just cut half of a journaling card and just put it right here. Once again, some of these pages are very simple, guys. There's not much I do to it because I don't overdo it. Washi tape there, and then an arrow I put down there, and this is a little pocket. And the next page, when you do sticky notes, that's part of one of them, and I put that in there, to-do list, which I love. And I put this beautiful little flowers there as well. So, and this one I left plain. I didn't want to put a whole bunch of things on them. And then you turn, and some of them I didn't fill anything in, so I skipped a couple of pages. Now this one here, I did this bookmark I made. Isn't that cute? I love the way that turned out. It's a fabric bookmark, and I also put some pearls right there. And it's my little bookmark, and I love it because when you close it, it's sticking out of the top. and then it's at the bottom as well. So that's so cute to me. I love it. That's one book that's finished. Let's go to the next book. I didn't do much in this other one because it was already overstuffed too much. I already have enough things inside of it. The next page is all these empty pages that you see here. I will definitely just make it simple, guys, and put sticky notes and things that I want to do. But yeah, got her. I didn't even know where I got her from. She was just lying around, so I just figured, hey, she looked pretty in there, so I just threw it in there. Turn, and then I made this little pocket. Let me pull this out before I even show you guys that. I made this little pocket here. So cute. This little tiny pocket just to put in the center of the book, and make this little tag as well. This homemade tag things on, and then this is the same thing here. Another Happy Planner sticker I put right there. I made a bookmark, and it's so cute. It's a little mini jar that I purchased from Dollar Tree. This is a ribbon fur that I purchased from Hobby Lobby as well. And then that's just a bookmark for me to put it down there. So I got that, and then I didn't decorate this yet. Still empty. I still have to decorate. And then this DIY ribbon that I made, pearl wrap ribbon. It's on a Dollar Tree, and that's what I made with this. I love it. And I was like, this is perfect. And this will be perfect here. A lot of these other pages are empty. Haven't finished decorating a lot of these. And last but not least, I made this DIY bookmark shaker, I would call it. That, and I put some ribbons at the end of this. And it came out pretty awesome. I think that's it. So at the end of it has still have a pocket. This see-through tag I had purchased from Hobby Lobby a long time ago. I put some stickers on there, some butterfly stickers, and then stuck it in there in that little pocket. That's what I did with that. It came out beautiful, guys. Look at that. Looks so gorgeous. So if you guys want to see any more of my flip through journals that I already finished, I would love to show you guys that stuff. So let me know in the comment below if you guys would like to see more of my flip through journals. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't leave just yet. At the end of this video, I'm going to do a few DIYs that I've done in this journal, so you guys can be able to put it into your mini journals as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and check out these DIY projects that I'm bringing to you right now.
get, 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 get,